In our last class we discussed about leaderships. So today our topic is advantages and disadvantages of different types of leaders. Characteristics of a bad leader are the opposite characteristics of a good leader. Advantages of traditional leaders: promote peace and unity among the people. Advises government on the problems and need of the people. Preserve and protect the cultural beliefs and practices of the people. Disadvantages of traditional leaders: sometimes some are selfish. Since they can't be voted out of power easily, they use their position to suffer some persons in the community. Some are not able to preserve the tradition of the people. Advantages of military leaders: they defend the country from attacks from other country. They make sure people are safe. Disadvantages of military leaders: they respect nobody sometimes. They are not trained to lead the people, so the people might not get impact from them. Loss of lives during coup. Advantages of religious leader: they teach the people morals and spiritual lessons. They guide and counsel the people. They give hope to the people. That takes care of the needy. Disadvantages of religious leader: some collect excess money from the people. Some mislead the people. Some have selfish interest. Advantages of appointed leaders: they work according to the people's wish. They bring fast development to their communities. They try to achieve the target of the people. Disadvantages of appointed leaders: there will be no development if the wrong person is appointed. Bad appointment will make people lose hope. Some behave rudely due to godfatherism. Thank for watching. See you in our next video.